She just like totally trembles. Is that an itchy spot? Huh? Woo! Getting a little too excited. Oh, yes, yes. Oh, hello, Sadie. Yes, are you the princess? Are you the princess? Sadie the princess. Yeah, you like the sound of that, don't you? Get down! Get off the couch! Don't look at me like that, dog. Get off the couch. Seeing this? Get off the couch. Get down! Oh, that's right. Don't get stuck. That's not getting down. That's laying down on the other side of the couch. Don't make me come over there, Sadie. Get down. Yeah, run and hide. Come on. Sit down. Hide. That's right. Hide. What are you doing? Sadie. Princess Sadie. Your Royal Highness. Highness is on the couch where she's not supposed to be. Get down. Mom, don't condone this. Do not encourage her. Yeah, run and hide. Get down. Mom, quit making out with our dog. Come on, knock it off. Sadie. That's not right, you guys. Come on. Sadie, down. Down. Mom! Sadie, get down. Not helping, Mom. Get down. Jeez. Right back up, aren't you? Oh, no, just gonna hide. Yeah, hide. Better just hide. I don't want to catch you up when I catch you. You hear me? Sadie! How many times are we going to have to go through this? You need to stop crawling over me. Sadie, don't ignore me. Don't ignore me. Yeah. Don't ignore me. Sadie. Get down. Get down. Mom! Stop encouraging her. This is why we have behavioral problems.
She was laying down and being good. I don't